Hey, Keigo, can you help me to hold this? Thank you. Ew, what's that?
Sorry, I was eating fries from outside.
Do you know that fries from outside are very unhealthy? As most of the restaurants think that using clean oil will waste time and money. Therefore, they use reused oil, which contains a lot of acrylamide.
What's acrylamide? It is some vitamins I left from biology lesson.
No, acrylamide is a carcinogenic substance that causes by Maillard reaction as a side product when deep frying the fries.
How can you prove that it contains acrylamide? It's so yummy and it's not dark at all.
Let me show you. In fact, our school chemistry research team did some experiments to show that reused oil contains a lot of acrylamide. We deep fried some fries for 10 times until the oil was dark brown. We then deep fried 150 grams of the new fries at around 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then we soak the excess oil on its surface and crush it.
But how do you extract acrylamide?
To extract the acrylamide in it, we sonicate it in a sonicator with 140 milliliter of water and 140 milliliter of acetonitrile. The solution extracted was centrifuged for 5 minutes. After the centrifugation, the sample was filtered and subjected to the high-performance liquid chromatography to analyze.
But why did you do the experiment?
As I mentioned, most restaurants use reused oil instead of fresh oil. But to our best knowledge, the relation between different oils' freshness and acrylamide produced was not investigated in details. Therefore, we are interested to finding the effect of different oil freshness on the acrylamide produced in deep fried potato products.
What are you doing? Don't you know that storing fries in the fridge is unhealthy?
What do you mean?
Do you remember the experiment you did last time?
Yep, it was about the reused oil.
You kept the storage temperature constant, and do you know that acrylamide produced will be affected by storage condition?
It's just different temperatures.
I did a research on that. Do you know that when you store fries in the freezer, the water droplets will be on the surface of the fries, but if you store it in the fridge, the water droplets will be stored inside the fries?
Even if it's on the surface, how would it affect the acrylamide produced?
Let me answer your questions with our experiment. We first stored 150 grams of fries in the freezer and another 150 grams in the fridge. We then fried it in clean oil and extracted acrylamide from it. Then subject the both samples to HPLC analysts. We found out that acrylamide in fries from fridge is more than the freezer fries.
But why?
As in the fridge, the water will be absorbed by the fries and the water in the fries will react with the oil, and the oil will be decomposed into fatty acids and glycerol and less hydrophobic. However, in the freezer, water will not be melted and the surface water will be evaporated by the oil but not react with the oil. So, the fridge fries will produce more acrylamide.
Oh, it's very interesting. I hope that we can do more experiment about the acrylamide. So, to conclude, in our series of experiment, we found out that acrylamide produced by using reused oil is more than clean oil.
We also learned that storing the fries in the freezer will produce less acrylamide when fried than stored in the fridge. Bonus tip: to prevent soggy fries, store the fries in the freezer.
Clean oil? Good to go.
Reused oil, always no. And also, don't be bold.
Remember, store it cold.
Thank you.